Hi everyone, it's Jeanette from Fairy Grotto Greetings. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mirrored image using a single stamp from Stampin' Up. So you're going to need a stamp that you'd like to mirror, your Stampin' Up Stamparatus, a piece of cardstock to stamp your image on, the Stampin' Up Silicone mat, an ink pad, and a clear block that will fit the size of your image. Let's get started. So place your cardstock into your Stamparatus and lay down your stamp where you want your first stamped image. Ink up your stamp and press down. Now remove your cardstock from your Stamparatus and replace it with your Stampin' Up silicone mat. Make sure there's no debris, fibers, hair, or anything else on it. And then ink up your stamp again and press down. Now you can see the glint of the wet ink, but we're going to do it twice, so ink it up again and then press down. That will allow us to get a nice crisp image. Remove your silicone mat from your Stamparatus and grab your pre-stamped cardstock. And then you can see that you can kind of see through the silicone mat a little bit. So hover it over your cardstock so that you can see where you wish to place it and then put it down. Use your clear block to press down on your image to transfer the ink to your cardstock. And then that's it. You're done. You have two nice, crisp, stamped images that are mirrors of each other. Thanks for watching.